In this video, I am going to teach you how to set the units to millimeters in AutoCAD. Whether you're starting a new project or adjusting an existing one, this quick setup will help you work with accurate measurements. Let's get started. First, open your AutoCAD and sign into your account. Make sure both the source and destination drawings are open. Then, in the command line at the bottom, type UNITS and press Enter. This will open up the Drawing Units dialog box. Next, under the Insertion Scale section, click the drop-down and choose millimeters. This ensures your drawing will use millimeters as the default measurement. Finally, click OK to save the setting. Your workspace is now set to use millimeters for all dimensions. Bonus tip: to avoid doing this every time, you can save your settings into a custom template so every new drawing starts in millimeters. And that's how you set AutoCAD units to millimeters. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more useful tutorials.
See you next time!